Here's a controversial question. When is the best time to install patches? Like most cybersecurity topics, the answer is, it depends. Go and read a few Reddit threads on when to install patches, and you will see a wide variety of opinions on this topic. We think it basically comes down to a few schools of thought. There's the take your time people, there's the patch as soon as possible people, and there are a bunch of people that are somewhere in between, kind of a patch management spectrum, if you will. The take your time people will say to install patches once they've been thoroughly vetted and, not crash all your printers like this Microsoft patch did a couple of years back. Then there's the patch as soon as possible people. These people will even patch things automatically. If the door is open, shut it, regardless of whose fingers might be in the way. Ooh, let's call these people auto-patchers. It just sounds cool. Okay, then there's everyone in between. For these people, there are a variety of factors that come into play. Some may install patches based on a risk assessment of the situation, or some may think about personal or team bandwidth. What other projects do they have going on that patching might disrupt? Some factor in the vulnerability severity that the patch fixes. If it's got a score of 10, patch it yesterday. If it's not urgent, waiting might be a viable decision. You know your environment best. Here's the thing. There really isn't a wrong or right answer here. The answer will likely depend on things such as your environment, your risk tolerance, and your relationship with your vendors. That said, we're curious. What's your approach to patch management? Are you an auto patcher, or do you like to take your time? Leave a comment and let us know. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next time.